How to enable anonymous posting on Facebook. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can enable the anonymous posting on Facebook. So without any delay, let's just jump right into the video. So if you want to enable the anonymous posting on Facebook, all you need to do is open up your Facebook first. After it opens up, you need to head over to this profile and open up the menu. And then here, you should lead over to your groups. So just go ahead and open up the group that you've created in which you are the admin. After that, you need to head over to the manage section from the group, and this menu opens up with different settings available. So go ahead and locate this option called group settings from the settings available. Tap on it. And after you open it up, you need to scroll a bit and you'll be finding an option called anonymous participation. Just go ahead and tap on it, and all you need to do is go ahead and turn this option on. That will allow other members to post, comment, and react in the group without sharing their name and profile photo. So that is it. That is how you basically enable the anonymous posting on Facebook. So I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching this video.